This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
So my next question is, what is the meta tag used for in HTML?
Okay, meta tag in HTML is used to provide metadata about the HTML document. This can include information like character set, page description, keywords, and like default settings. There's the meta tag used for.
Well, again, so my answer will be, well, on the website, when we share our website on any other website, it actually shows the company's logo or a specific image and the title and the details. So meta made actually the kind of the SEO friendly and the company's branding build. That's the reason we use the meta tag.
Yes, that's the correct answer.